In this video, I'll break down the topic in a simple and practical way so you can learn full stack development step by step. So I have concluded some of the topics we are going to cover today, that are we are going to see the main function, how it works, assigning the data types for the variables, how printf and scanf perform, for loop, how it works, how the counter variables are assigned for the for loop, and how for loop is used for printing multiple statements in the C programming. These are the basic things, but we should know in depth. That is my concept. So let's see. I have some programs that are we are going to solve today, and I have CodeBlock, which is the best software for learning C and C++, because C must be learned in a CodeBlock for simple understanding. VS Code is there, but that is much complicated for beginners. So let's see in the CodeBlock. We'll see that. We'll see the topics on the first. We have the program for based on how for loop start with the dictionary, that is hash include str.h, in this str.h means standard input and output. What are the inputs needed for the program, what are the outputs needed for the program, we should assign before, and on the basis of the program we will conclude how inputs are assigned before and after, how the output format should be, and we'll see some of the main things about. I have said that as we'll see in the what are the features of main function. We'll declare it by int. In data type returns the integers, which are mainly seeing today, which are simple programs, because we are not going to dive in a deep. So int main function, in that main function we have some of the programs like declaring the data type for the variable int term. In term assign some value to it. From starting is a shit thing, I know that. So we are turned to the first assigning some value and print them, so you will get the more deeper knowledge about it. So assign some value for n1, that is 3, declaring the data type n1 equal to 3, n2 equals to 5, n3 equals to 8. So then print them. So printing them with their integers using the printf function, we assign %d for integers, %c for the characters. So we will use now %d as our need, %d for n1, percentage D for N2 N1 percentage D N2 percentage D N3 percentage D. For slash n, we use slash n for formatting the lines in a correct manner. By using slash n, the assignment of output is in a proper manner. So for N1, N2, N3, N3, then we'll write return 0, because we used int for the main function. We should write return 0 to conclude our program. N1, so then we'll run this one. What is the error? We'll see now. Views, logs, here the error is we have not used comma after the percentage D, so we must use that one. Let's see now. And 2% D and 3% D slash n. We have not declared here N2, so we got the error. Then we'll see by building it. Compilation starts. We got 3 pi 8. What are the values we have assigned for N1, N2, N3? We got that. For proper indication of N1, we must declare like this. For N2, N3, then rebuild it by Control F9. First we should stop the compilation, then rebuild it. We'll get the output N1 equals to 3, N2 equals to 5, N3 equals to 8. I am the beginner, I don't know much the speaking skills, but I will improve by step, so stay tuned. We'll see some much difficult questions, but at the end I will share all of my knowledge and about the projects, about all coding, front end, back end. Must not leave the concept. Then we'll see the topics based on the for loops, how the for loops will perform, and here is the one program. I will declare every line how the for loop is performed in that specific program. Here we first declare int function, int data type for the n, and assign the term value for 3. here equals to operator helps for assigning the value. For here, for entering the data, printf, in that we may write anything like enter the number, enter the number. What we enter, that should be scanned. Scan means fetching the data. Fetching the data from the library what we have assigned. That is the integer. So we will write %d and we will write for n for that, because n is assigned. So for writing series of numbers, for loop is used. We have three parts in the for loops, that are int, declaring I. We may declare at the starting like this, I, and that is also fine. I starts from the 0 thing, then I less than, say something 25, and I plus plus. Here how it works, we have assigned I for the 0. At the maximum number we have assigned I to 25. That is there are three parts we are assigned for the for loop: starting variable, initial, the condition, and incrementer. But first we start with the assigning the term. The term with the I plus term, means the term value will be assigned with 3 at the starting. At the starting we will see there we are assigned term value for the 3. From 3 it will count up to the 25, and what are the values we will get, that will be printed. Then we will print the values. Printf %d, then term. Okay, in this program we have assigned the maximum value for 25, and also we have entered printf to enter the number. There is no necessary, we may change it to n, so that what are the values we'll provide for the scanf. In this scanf we should give it for the address operator. The address of the n is fetched from the user's data. Whatever the user provide, that is fetched. See, for I starts from 0, I less than n, printf %d, term, that's okay, /n, here on /n, here /n, then for the term I plus term is assigned with 3, enter the number, then we will write return 0, because at the main function we must write return 0 to conclude our program. return 0. Then we will build the program about it, build it. We got the compilation, enter the number 25. Then enter 58. It is taking too much values. 25 to 58. So let's remove this line. See, remove the printf and scanf and assign some value here, like 25. Then term equals to 3, I is declared. Then build and run program. Up to the 25, it will provide some of the series of numbers. Here the output 3, 4, 6, 9, 13. There is a series of numbers. From 3, it gives 25 numbers with calculating term with here how. Let's trace the program. First term was assigned with let's say from 0 plus 1 plus 1. Then term then assigned to 1 plus 0 plus 1. No, term we have assigned 3 equals to 3. Then 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Then term equals to what is the I value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 25, because we have given 25 in the condition, so that up to 25 it will provide some of the values using the term, that is I plus 3, then I equals to 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Then term I, what is I, plus what is the term value, 6, that is 9. It continues until we reach the I value for less than 25, means up to 24. What we got here is 3, 4, 6, 9 up to 24 values. From 0 it counts up to 25, less than 24, less than 25. Then we'll see in the next program, that is regarding the character. There is the most easy one. This is the program. In that we come to know that how term we assign with the 3 and how term assign I plus term to get the serial numbers up to the 25, counting series of numbers. But first we declared the term. Then we provide some of the values in the for loop using the increment operator. Whatever the I values we assign, from that it will increment its value by 1. First 0, then 1, 2, 3 up to 24. Means the values we are getting are up to the 24. Next program, that is the most easy one, using the character. In main function, character n equal to 65, print %d n. Here we are not printing the 65 value, we are printing the ASCII value of 65. Means every computer has its built-in numbers that are ASCII values. For 65, we'll see what is the value assigned in our library. By building, we'll come to know the real value of n, that is a. We may see here, that is a value. We can change 65 to 68. Then what is the value for 68? That is D. These are the ASCII values assigned in the library. By using that, the program will run. We may change it to printing %C. We can print directly 65 using declaring it as a int, then providing here %d, then we will get the 65 value. We'll see that we got 65 here. Whatever we are assigned, that we got as the output, because we are declared %d for the integer here. For last program, we have find the ASCII value of that value. Because of that, we got the things as per the program. Then we'll see some of the programs. By predicting the output, we'll conclude the program knowledge, because by predicting the output by seeing the program is the most appropriate one and good thing to learn the programming. I have assigned some of the easy programs here, that are some of the 4 programs. Let's say what is the output for it. It is, we have done it, that is A. Here int main, they are assigned for the int a equal to 5, b equal to 10. They are doing addition operator in the printf function. What is the value of this? 15. A is assigned with the 5, b is assigned with the 10, and printf statement, they are used a plus b. In this program, they are used float as a data type. They are assigned x equal to 6, y equal to 2, and printf percentage float, because in the division it may be decimal numbers. Because of that, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. In this program, they have assigned a value to 1, b value to 2, c value to 3. What is the output? 1, 2, 3. These are the 4 programs I have given, it seems like a easy, but on continuing with the strings, structure, union, files, using for loops, creating large programs, using this all stuff to create the project. We are not using C for much of the things, because uh, C is for the basics, and in the C++ we'll get much setter getter functions. In that C++ also helps for a Java, and we'll see the C++ things in the upcoming days. Okay, thank you all. Next we'll dive into the deeper into the complex topics. This won't be easy, but we'll face the challenges of solving AI related programs together. Why I write this one? Because it seems like easy, but without knowing the basic knowledge we can't do anything. First we'll see the basics, then we'll dive into the industry of AI, because every industry needs AI implementation. There is a lot of unemployment because of the AI implementation. A lot of industries are solving their problems and implementation, like in the Airtel, that's an example. In the Airtel industry, they are using AI for response with the customers. In the knowledge employees for building their codes, building their projects. So that is most industrial thing. You are welcome. Stay awesome. Keep coding. If you ever need help, just ask. Happy learning. I'm a beginner. I don't know how to teach, but I am trying. Thank you all. See you.